Okay, there are 3 screws. This is 6200. This is we have one positioner 6200. Its configuration is P2P, but we want to change on multi. So we need to remove this screw, 4 screw, like that. So then we will see this Allen key 6 mm. There is I2P and C type low blade relay is there, and we can see these 2 gauges. So after opening this Allen key, we need to use this cut like this. We can open, and this is SIS 6200.
స్క్రాచెస్ పడిపోతున్నాయి కింద.
ఇలాగే తీసుకున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు అది ఆగాగు ఒక నిమిషం. ఒకటి వాక్యం పట్టుకుంటుంది.
So very carefully we need to remove this.
వదిలు.
So then we got this card. So you can see some dip switches are there. So right now it is on P2P. So we want to change on
multi.
So P2P is point to point, and multi we can access from multiple locations.
Okay.
ఇది so then there are trip
Disable
front, low and high, and then there is a transmitter and switch.
అడ్డు చేతుంది కెమెరా. ఇది ఓకే. ఇది DDT. ఇది ఏం చేస్తాడా? ఓకే.
We already changed. After that, very carefully we need to fix it back. So again we need to tighten these screws. So now we box up. So it is ready to use as a multi drop.